Hi everyone and welcome. I am Table. So a quick video on how to load up VST instruments in Nuendo. That is quite simple and really quick to do. So firstly, you go straight to your project and go to add track, go to instrument, and you are faced with this simple window. The first one says instrument. This is where you can search for the instrument you would want to add. Let's say I want to add laps. So I search for laps and I find laps. Maybe under laps to use a piano library under laps. So I make sure I just give the name of the track as piano. How many instances of this do I want? If I want 2, I make it 2. If I want 3 tracks of the laps, I make 3, but in this case I just want 1, and I click on add track. But then under here we have audio outputs, and default it goes straight into the stereo output. So let's leave that for now and just click on add track. So there we go, our VST instrument laps has been loaded. So let's go back to that particular part where I was saying stereo outs. So let's create something like a group track first, and then we name this mix bass. Okay, so now we have a mix bass here. Let's create a new instrument, again the same laps. Then now when we go into our audio outputs, you realize we now have our mix bass here, so we can route our instrument into a different output where maybe we want to do some processing, or we want to group all our VST instruments or specific VST instruments into a certain output, then do certain processing before it goes into the final stereo output. So that's what this particular audio output is for. And then we can name this also as piano 2 and 1, and there we go, we have our another laps. And when we play from here, you see this goes into the mix bass before it goes to the output, but when we play from the first one we added, it goes straight into the output. It doesn't go through the mix bass. So that's a quick and simple way to add instruments into Nuendo. I hope you had something from it, you had some knowledge from it. If you have any question, you can put it out in the comments and I'll make sure to answer them, or make a video on the questions that you had. So thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.